4x4 to check out it. Unique, especially in classics. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado K2500. 454 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission with overdrive, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Original mile truck at a little over 52,000 on it. We take a look at the chrome grille and bright work up front. Bug shield has been added. A little touch-up spot on the hood here. You can see that. Always paint shows pretty well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this truck from every angle. Top side, undersides, interior, engine bay, bed of it. Unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Toyo radials. And those have a date code of 2023, so practically new, by the way. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. 25 would be the paint code on this. It is a bright blue metallic. Fender flares. What I want you to look at, these lower rockers, bottoms of the doors. It's actually a protective coating, still on from the factory. Cab corners looking good, and the rest of the truck on the top side. Something I found rather interesting on this truck you do not see a lot of. So split bench seat, which is very common obviously, but leather interior. So blue leather interior, split bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Rear sliding glass. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Tow package, as you can see on the rear, does have the G80 locking rear differential. Of course, the Silverado, you're going to have a lot of the modern amenities on the interior too. We do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, maybe due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. And again, take your time looking at all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Try to represent these vehicles as fairly as we can with the walk-around video, all the still pictures that are taken. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see a driving video of this truck. We'll take it down the road, put the camera in it, give you a virtual ride, if you will. And if you like to see what comes through our inventory, you never know what you might see. You'll have anything from a 1927 Ford all the way up to a 1997 Chevy like this. Subscribe to our channel. Check out all the cool stuff that comes through here. All right. So leather seating surface, and again, you can see it's wrinkled kind of like a soft pair of leather shoes. How they naturally wear. What you'd expect, fold down armrest, torque, of course, tilt column, cruise control, mentioned power windows, locks, mirrors over here. Top of the dash, good shape, headliner. It's been fired up. AM/FM cassette with CD. Kind of that transitioning period between cassette and CD, mid-90s. Here's your exact miles, 52,452. Close the door so we get rid of that. Door chime, tack working. Here's the rest of the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I won't expect that temp gauge to be up. I mentioned I did have the stereo working. Push button 4-wheel drive here, and trailer brake has been installed. Sounds as you'd expect. Looks like there has been a little touch up along here too. can see that. I don't know. It's kind of tough to get. There you go. There you can kind of see it. But again, overall, paint shows well. Is it perfect? No. But considering the age of the truck, this one's got a lot of life in it. Especially as expensive as those new ones are getting. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. Again, it's got that 454 underneath there. See how that looks. Underside of the hood. Hood liner's nice and clean. Doesn't appear it's been driven through a bunch of salt or inclement weather. Judging by those lower doors and rockers, doesn't surprise me. Cab corners. Pretty stock looking engine bay, what you'd expect. First in 97, you would have the Vortec. Adding a little more power. '97 Chevrolet Silverado K2500. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, just a little over 52,000 miles. Remember, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this truck for a drive. Otherwise, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You might call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Chevrolet K2500 pickup. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. We do wash our vehicles, so we can do these drive videos for you. This is a very nice condition truck, great running truck. All our gauges are working. Temperature is right where it should be, about 190. Oil pressure, approximately 65 to 70 PSI. Fuel gauge is working, just under a half a tank, and the battery is charging over 14 volts. Factory tachometer working, speedometer working. Our radio is working. Nice smooth ride out of this truck. Regular cab pickup truck, 4x4. I did just test out the 4x4 on the snowy parking lot, and that worked well. Brakes are nice and smooth, working as well. We have a leather split bench seat in this truck. Nice and comfortable with center fold down storage. Power steering working great. Corners good, doesn't lean too much in the corners. Acceleration is good. I always found this generation of Chevy truck to be a smooth running, long lasting truck. And this one's no different. Cargo lamp button. This is equipped with cassette, and down here we have CD as well. I've only tested the FM, but great options to have. Nice, clean, well-conditioned truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevy at uniqueclassiccars.com.